Have you ever worried about the security of your crypto? It's a valid concern. The world of digital assets can feel a bit like the Wild West, and the last thing you want is to lose your investments to a scam or a hack. Your first line of defense is how you log in, and when it comes to a major exchange like Coinbase, doing it safely is non-negotiable. So, let's walk through the steps to make sure your account is locked down tight. First, and this might seem obvious, but it's the most important step, always, and I mean always, make sure you are on the official Coinbase website. Phishing scams are everywhere. Before you type in your login info, double-check the URL. It should be coinbase.com and nothing else. Look for the padlock icon in the browser bar, which shows it's a secure connection. If you get an email with a link, don't click it. Go directly to the site yourself. Next, your password. Use a strong, unique password that you don't use for any other account. I'm talking a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And for the love of all things crypto, don't use password 123. A password manager is your best friend here. It can generate and store complex passwords so you don't have to remember them. But the real fortress is your two-factor authentication, or 2FA. While Coinbase requires it, you can make it much more secure. The default is often SMS, which sends a code to your phone. But this is vulnerable to what's called a SIM swap attack. The best option is to use an authenticator app, like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. These apps generate time-sensitive codes on your device, making it a lot harder for a hacker to get in. Better yet, if you're serious about security, get a hardware security key like a YubiKey. It's a physical device you have to plug in to log in, and it's virtually impossible to compromise remotely. Finally, log in and take a few extra minutes to review your security settings. Check your trusted devices and remove any that you don't recognize. Enable biometrics like Face ID or a fingerprint scan on the mobile app for an extra layer of protection. You can also set up withdrawal allow listing, which means your crypto can only be sent to pre-approved addresses. This is a powerful safety net, even if someone somehow gains access to your account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.